listening to one of the hottest DJs in the DFW, DJ Hernández.
No puedo más con este amor. Me desprecias porque no.
Hey my tinies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, for those of you who know me, but I go by Makeup by Tiny T because I am literally tiny. I am 4'10", and on a good day I am 4'11", but you guys do not need to know how tall I am. So with that being said, guys, today's look is actually going to be on this beautiful blue makeup. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it, so I don't know. But anyways, so this look is super pretty. I actually use two palettes. I used the Profusion Electric Blue and the Norvina Collection, which is the Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. And this is that beautiful, like, you have your, I actually just created a look using these right here, this right here. So if you guys have not seen that, I will have a link right above here. And now today we are actually using these two shades. But with that being said, my tinies, I actually hope you guys enjoy this look. I absolutely love how it turned out. I really love the matte lipstick with it, because you guys know it's fall, and fall is matte season, so you know we have to jump into this bandwagon for like fall and stuff. So with that being said, guys, this is the look that I created using those two palettes, and this one is actually $5 on Profusion, so go check them out. They do have really inexpensive palettes, and it's a very affordable brand that I do recommend for anybody who is on a budget. So yeah.
Es que yo, la luna te fui a dar, pero tú todo me negabas. 24 horas son las que paso solo en mi cuarto, no aguanto el dolor. Ves lo que causaste, pero sé que no importó. Se te borró todos los momentos. 24 horas son las que paso solo en mi cuarto, no aguanto el dolor. Ves lo que causaste, pero sé que no importó. Se te borró No puedo más con este amor. Me desprecias porque no soy mejor. Mi soledad ya se empeoró desde el momento que tú te vas. Y es que yo siempre te voy a amar, pero tú solo me harás llorar, llorar. La oscuridad me controló. Ya no hallaré la luz, estoy solo. Y es que yo la luna te fui a dar, pero tú todo me negabas, negabas. 24 horas son las que paso solo en mi cuarto, no aguanto el dolor. Ves lo que causaste, pero sé que no importó. Se te borró todos los momentos. 24 horas son las que paso solo en mi cuarto, no aguanto el dolor. Ves lo que causaste, pero sé que no importó. Se te borró todos los momentos. No